Walmart ignoring your seller cases? Use this step-by-step guide to force Walmart to take action. I'll be showing you steps in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So you log into Walmart and there's an issue. It's like a random error status. Let's say you're trying to get pre-approval or something's not going right, and you contact Walmart and they take forever to reply. They're not helping you. They transfer you to somebody else who transfer you to somebody else. You're asking for updates and they're not providing them. Now, step number one is to create multiple cases. Walmart hates when you do this, but this is a great way to escalate things. So what you want to do is just put in a random reason. So if you're contacting support, right, and you're like, my listing has errors. Okay, I'm gonna do next. You want to chat with somebody. And when you chat with somebody, see, look, if I click on this, confirm, and let's say you do make a case. So you can make a case. See, you can't chat with them. You want to make sure you do one where you email them. Make another case for a different reason. Don't do it for the same reason. Do it for a different reason. So click on a different reason. It's not searchable. Or do an issue, do something different, right? It doesn't matter what team you get to, but you want to do one where you call them, you want to do one where you email them, and you want to do one with you chat with them. When you chat with them or when you call them, what you want to do is be extra sentimental and sad, and just explain that you've been working on this for 30 days. You haven't been able to get it resolved. And if they say this is the wrong team, just be like, I know, but I can't get a hold of anybody else. Can you please escalate this? Can you please do something while we're on the phone, while we're chatting? And they do have the ability to talk to the internal team at Walmart and potentially escalate your issue, even if they're a part of a whole different team, okay? So that's why you're opening up multiple cases. When you do open up multiple cases, you need to follow up on those cases every single day. So you stay on top of it like an OG, or you have a team that stays on top of it and monitors all of them. We did this before for a client. We had to open up 20 cases, monitor them every single day, and then we proceeded to step number 2, which is to go through your emails and contact Walmart employees. Now, this is an OG tip that works very, very well. So you're just gonna go through your email, and it should be your Walmart email, because what you'll notice, and if you go to spam, there's a lot of Walmart employees, they're hired, they don't know what to do, and they're just reaching out to sellers. Do you need help with your ads? You've been certified to expand to Mexico. We want you to expand to Canada. Random employees are reaching out on Walmart, right? So here's an example. This 15 hours ago, our client got an email from a Walmart rep. And what do you want to do is say, look, schedule an email with me or do this. And this is about advertising, which is completely different than the issue at hand. But what you want to do is you want to schedule a meeting with them and say, yes, I want to go over advertising. You go over the advertising with them. And you're like, you're so amazing. You hit it off with them, because these people that are reaching out are usually from the US. They're like from the state Arizona, or they're from New York City, right? And you're gonna hit it off and be like, you know, this is great. I learned so much. Towards the end, you're gonna be like, by the way, I had this really, really big issue on Walmart. Can you help me? Once you do that, because we've done this for a client, you hit it off and you show them the issue, they were able to respond on the Walmart cases for us. They started to respond to the Walmart cases. They escalated it to their manager and they got the issue resolved within 7 days for our client. And don't just stop at one. We contacted 3 different, because our client had somebody that wanted to help them expand to Canada, Chile, and then an advertising person. We contacted all of them. Yes, we want to expand to Chile. And then at the end, we did the same thing. And this was able to get it escalated to an advanced department in Walmart and get it resolved, again, extremely quickly, right? Now, if you do these 2 things, you're going to have success, right? And you don't give up, right? It just takes one Walmart employee that really cares, and they will go the extra mile for you to help you get this resolved, right? And a lot of these Walmart employees, when you do have a call with them, they do want to have a call every single week. So every week you're like, yep, my advertising, I turned it on, I did your suggestions. And then you come back and you're like, by the way, this still isn't fixed. And then they're going to be updating you. And if they do care, they will be helping you. But that's it for today's video. What's the most frustrating part of dealing with Walmart support? Let me know in the comments below and see if I can help. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, like contacting support, fixing a Walmart issue, we're here for you. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule. Okay. Goddamn. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. This is where we're going to be calling Walmart for you, fixing all of your issues, managing your inventory, optimizing your listings, getting you the pro seller badge, and much, much more. The most important part about this is we're going to be making sure your sales are increasing, all of your issues are resolved, so you can focus on your business instead of daily operations in your business. We're going to be your go-to people to help you save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.